Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 22nd of July, 2021, and this is my catch-up series for today. A recap from the last week. The market was around here, where I said, this is the level I want to see price break before I become a seller. We had a double top scenario and a break of that level. I want to see the market continue back up. We saw that break, that retest, multiple rejections from here on lower time frame. You see rejection 1, 2, 3. So even if you had entered from here, you'd be in profit. From here, you'd be in profit. From here, you'd be in profit also. Right now, just looking at it based off of structure, as you guys know, this is the only place I want to see price get taken out before I become a seller, a confirmed seller. Minor higher low is this level, and if it gets taken out, we might see the market run into this level. But for now, we are still in the bullish side of the market, so we might just see this market continue to the upside. So even if it breaks this level and comes here, we are still in the buyer's market, because if you draw your fib, from this low to this high, which is here to here, we are still in the bullish side of the market. All right, so as long as this is not taken out, we are still in the buyer's market. So let's see how it goes from there. And if we're looking at it from here, if this level gets taken out, for sure we want to see if here holds. If this level does not hold, then we are in the seller's market. All right, looking at from this Fibonacci, looks like the market is already sitting on a PRZ level. So maybe if we see that break, we might just see the market push back down here and maybe further downwards that we've been expecting since. Let's look at 75. 75 broke out of the consolidation that we were expecting, that we were experiencing last week, where I said I want to see a break of this level before I become a buyer. Else, I would be a seller when I saw a retest of this level. We saw that retest. This was the level it was sitting at that time, where I said retest of that level and a push. You see the push, you'd have made money. Right now, if you draw your fibs, you are just in a bullish retracement. You are still in a bearish side overall. There was just a break of this minor resistance. Also, this minor resistance was taken out also. So we want to see what the market does. For now, we might just see this market run into this level. But since we are on the 61.8 PRZ level, we want to see if this level gets taken out. Since we are still in the bearish side of the market, if this higher low gets taken out, we want to see how it fares, a retest of that level, and we are back into the selling side of the market. We are still on in the seller's territory. We only become confirmed buyers when this whole lower high gets taken out. A break of this level, and it's just a few pips, around 300 pips. movements back to this side, and let's see how it goes from there. If it breaks this level, we might see it come here, and if it breaks that level, we're back into the bullish territory. But for now, I want to see how it fares. A break of this level, and we are back into the seller's territory. 25. 25, what were we looking at last week for the 25? Okay. Yeah, 25 was around here last week where I said it was a bearish move. We were expecting it to keep going down. We drew Fibonacci, said that I wanted to see the impulse, but I only said I'll only be looking at taking trades when I see a support. We see that this level was holding, and a break of that level, and you could see how the market ran off. It was going to be this level, and you see a break of that level, 1 doji 2. It means this Fibonacci is done like this. If we adjust this Fibonacci like this, you can see that the price was rejecting off PRZ. So new Fibonacci drawn. If you draw a new Fibonacci, let's see, PRZ level. So this becomes the higher low that needs to get taken out for us to become sellers. If not, we are still in the buyer's territory. If you go on lower time frame, you could draw a new fib just to see how this trade wants to retrace. If it retraces to a certain level, then you can continue the buy side of things. Also, we might just see this market rejecting off of this level here. So we might just see the market push back down. So, but we're only confirmed sellers if this level gets taken out. If here gets taken out, that's all. And if you look at the RSI, it shows some sort of divergence. So if you go on lower time frame and want to capitalize on this sell, if you see good confirmation around here, lower time frame, then knock yourself out. EUR USD, we were still expecting it, where I said we might see a retest of this level before we continue to the downside. And I said I was only going to be a seller with a break of this level. You guys saw it on my story on Instagram on Monday when I posted the sell I took. You could see how the sell fared. It has gone to a certain level, the level I was expecting it to get to. It went down. A second trade was taken. That was that. But just looking at it, all these levels seem to be holding on this side, and it seems that we might want to be in the bull side for quite a while, but we don't know that. We can only confirm that stand when we see a break of this level. When we see a break of this level, of this minor level here, if it gets taken out, then we might see the market run into here and up here. We might see the market run up here and maybe further up. But this Fibonacci is done. If we pull out a Fibonacci like this, if we pull out a fib like this, you might see that the market is currently, let's do it from here first. You can see the market is currently at 38.2. So we want to see how this market fares. If it breaks this level, if it breaks this level, then what means that we might see the market come run up here, maybe further up here. So confirmed buyers is going to be a break of this level, but we might just see some minor buying scenario. I think we have to take this out. I have to take this out because that level is done. So we might just see that the market, we might just see the market run into somewhere around here. So market run here and runs up there potentially. If it does not do that, we might just see the market continue the downward push. NZDJPY, I was saying I was only going to be a seller with a break of here. I did not take any sell, no sell was taken, but market was around here. We saw that higher low, a push back up, a break of that higher low. But if you look at it structure wise, we are still in the seller's territory, even if I've been looking for buys because of the minor break. Because of the minor break, I've been looking for buys, but I'm still a seller. I'm still looking for sells on the overall side of things. So we see this market retesting this broken level. So a fib like this, I want to see how the market fares. If we see a continuous consolidation around here, then we want to see a break of this level before we continue selling. If not, this is the closest level that I want to see get taken out before we become sellers. But for now, this market might just continue pushing back up. On this time frame, there is some sort of high frequency trading level or order block or whatever name you guys call it. There is one heavy level here um, where we might see price reject off of this level. So we want to see how the market fares first, but still we are still in the bearish side of the market. We can only become confirmed buyers, good buyers when there is a break of this level. And once it's taken out, then we're back into the buyer's territory. USD CHF was around here. I said I wanted to see how this candle closed. It closed good. I went on lower time frame. I was looking for some sort of reason for me to capitalize on the sell. I didn't see that. But if you guys remember, I had this level here where I said I want to see a bullish break. There was that bullish break. I capitalized on the buy, on this buy based off of this rejection. There was another buy I caught here, which was this. I did not take any other trade. Potentially, if we're looking at it like this, the market rejected off of PRZ 38.2 or 50%. Now it looks like that level has been broken 1, 2. So it means that potentially this Fibonacci is done. So we might have a new Fibonacci drawn. So we want to see how the market fares. So a break of this level, I might see the market run back down here. That is, if the market breaks this level, we might see the market run back down to this weekly zone. And because this weekly has been holding since, you see bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So we might just see the market run back down into this weekly level. So let's draw the Fibonacci the correct way. So if we draw it like this, because the market did not break here, it was here. So it's only right. The market is sitting on PRZ level now. So if it breaks this level, we want to see the market run back down here, and we are still even inside the bullish market. A break of this level, and we'll see the market run back down here for a bearish run. So if I see a break of this level or this level on lower time frame, I would be capitalizing on the buy potentially. That's that for that. Yeah, but if not a break of this level, and I want to see the market run back downwards. AUDSD, if you guys remember, I drew a triangle like this, a trend line where I said I want to see where the market wants to go. A break of this upside, and we might see the market go here, maybe up. A break of this downside, and we might see the market continue back downwards. You guys already know what happened. A break, retest, and a push. Now I'll only be a confirmed buyer normally if this level gets taken out. If that level gets taken out, but we are in a bearish, because we are in a bearish market. But right now we are having a bullish retracement, and as such, we might be just buyers up till this level here, and maybe further upwards. So right now, 1, 2, this candle, if it closes bullish, then we might just look for signal on lower time frame to become buyers and see how the market fares from here. NZD USD, we saw that break of this level. I said I want to see how this level fares. 1, 2, broken, retest, bearish engulfing, and we see how the market fared from there. Right now, we are still in the bearish market. We're just having a bullish retracement. Looking at it like this, I want to see how this market fares. A break of this level on lower time frame, and we can continue back into the selling territory. If not, we are still in a bullish retracement. So that's that for that. That's all for my catch-up series. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Follow us on all social platforms at Traders Hub NG, at King ALXNDA and King, and at Yusha Mindset. I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.